How to clear Android app permissions in 1 minute. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. Here, scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Select on manage apps over here. And here you can search for any of the app that you'd want to clear the Android app permissions for. I'm going to search for Instagram over here for now. So let's just swipe up and select our app that you'd want to just move ahead with. I'm gonna select on Instagram for now, and here tap on the app permissions. So if you want to just clear it all out, you can simply tap on each of the option and tap on don't allow. So let's go to each option over here and repeat the process, and there you go. You can see there is no permissions allowed. So this way you can clear Android app permissions in under 1 minute. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.